In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to save Wix website as PDF. So first of all, go to wix.com and log in here with your account. Once you log in here, make sure that you have selected your correct website which you want to save as PDF. Once you select your website, then go to the home tab on your dashboard and under it click on view live site. Once we click on it, then it will redirect us to our website. You can see this is my website. I want to save it as PDF. For that, just right click on your website. Then you will see option of print. You can also press Ctrl P on your keyboard to select this option. Once you select it, then you will see all preview of your website on the left hand side, and from here you can choose the settings for your PDF. So first of all, choose your destination as Microsoft Print to PDF, and under pages make sure to select all pages from your website, and on layout you can select landscape or portrait. If the portrait option is not working properly, then you can go with the landscape one. And under color, make sure to select color. If you select black and white, then the whole website will turn into black and white. I don't want to do it. I want to have a color website. And under more settings, you can see bunch of options here. Firstly, select your paper size as letter, and then pages per sheet will be 1, and margins will be default, scale will be default as well. Under options, make sure to select both of these settings as checked, because if you don't check these settings, then the background graphics will be gone from your PDF. I don't want to do it. I want to enable it. That's why I have enabled it here. Then click on print from here, and now it will ask for the destination. I want to save it on my desktop and just name it Wix. And now if I go back to my desktop, you can see I have successfully saved my Wix website as PDF. So this was the complete process. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.